In this topic I have covered standard deviation. This is the fifth part, part E. So, and overall the part is 126 part. Calculation of standard deviation SD from group data. There are two methods to calculate standard deviation. First method is long method, second method is short method. So in this topic, in this part, I will cover long method, calculation of standard deviation from group data by long method. Long method. To find the standard deviation from group data by the long method, the following formula is used. Standard deviation SD or sigma is equal to under root summation fx square by n, where x is equal to deviation from the mean, x square stands for square of deviation from the mean, f stands for frequency, f dot x square stands for square of deviation multiplied by their respective frequencies, n stands for number of scores or total frequencies. This symbol is called sum of and known as sigma, and this notation is called sine of square root or under root. Sine of square root or under root, this is called under root. Now next point is steps for calculating standard deviation. Following steps are involved to calculate standard deviation by long method. First step is, first we find out the midpoint of all class intervals. So very simple, class interval midpoint, if the class interval is 140 to 144, then add 140 plus 144 divided by 2, it will provide you the midpoint. Second is, multiply the class midpoints by their frequencies and obtain fx values. Then find summation fx by adding all fx values. Hence in the next step we will calculate the mean by the long method, that is m is equal to summation fx over n. Fourth step, after finding the mean, calculate the deviation x of each midpoint from the mean, taking into account the positive and negative signs. So x is equal to, small x is equal to capital X minus n. All these values are written in a separate column that is called x column. Next step, fifth step is multiply each deviation x by its frequency f to obtain the fx values. F multiplied by x is equal to fx. For this fx value, another column is prepared that is known as fx column. Step number 6, multiply each fx by the corresponding deviation x to obtain fx square values. Fx multiplied by x gives us fx square. For this fx square value, a separate column fx square column is formed, is prepared. Next step, add all fx square values to obtain summation fx square, and this value is written at the bottom of fx square column. Hence we will calculate summation, or we will get summation fx square. Eighth step, in the next step, divide summation fx square by the total number n. Next step, ninth step, find out the square root of the obtained quotient, and this value of square root is actually the standard deviation SD or sigma. So the value is substituted in the formula, that is under root summation fx square by n. Calculating this and find the value of under root gives us the standard deviation, that is standard deviation sigma. So this is the fifth part of standard deviation, in which I have covered the standard deviation from group data by long method. So this is all about this part 126. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and please share the videos. Those who are new on this channel, please surely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so as the new videos are uploaded, get the information immediately. Thank you.